Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Vending machine again. As usual, the nice car are behind. The red Jeep Cherokee. The Nissan Petrol behind this AC Cobra. Nissan Hardbody is in front, which I'm tempted to buy. And if I want to buy the Nissan Petrol, I have to buy AC Cobra. This Nissan van is very nice from Matchbox. So which one shall I buy? Okay, let me get my money. Nissan Hardbody, of course. Only time will tell if I get the Nissan Petrol. In the meantime, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.